5 reasons you should drink colon cleanse juice. Hi, I'm Sam and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon which results in low energy, headaches and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 5 benefits of colon cleanse juices and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Benefit number 1. Say goodbye to constipation. Colon cleanse juice pushes the waste through your system to make way for better nutrient absorption. You are giving your body its much needed detox, which means less toxic waste materials inside your body. A healthy and clean colon helps your digestive and immune system to operate more efficiently, pushing you to an optimal level of health. Therefore, if you're suffering from constipation, you know that an easy way to get rid of it is by drinking colon cleanse juice. Benefit number 2. Supports in weight loss. The average human colon weighs about 4 pounds empty and can hold 8 meals worth of food before digestion begins. Now that's a lot of food. Drinking colon cleanse juice puts you in some sort of a diet by controlling your appetite and cravings. As a result, you can expect significant weight loss and a boost in your metabolism. The next time you drink an apple cider vinegar, know that it's also cutting off your training days. Benefit number 3. Boosts nutrition. You can always count on raw and organic juices for additional vitamins and minerals. The first impression is that colon cleanse juice is only for the aid of digestion, but it's not entirely true. It also supplies your body with the all-important phytonutrients that helps with the cleanup and healing process. It retains the nutrients typically destroyed when food is cooked, including vitamin B and some digestive and anti-inflammatory enzymes. And while you enjoy the vitamins, your colon even cooperates by allowing only water, vitamins and nutrients to be absorbed into your body's bloodstream. Benefit number 4. Infertility issues avoided. Doctors claim that colon cleansing, as well as increased fiber intake and healthy food choices, can help you to keep your weight under control. We already mentioned that before, but here comes the best part. If you are a woman, getting pregnant becomes really difficult if you have too much fat on your body, because the hormonal imbalances affect your menstrual cycle, thus preventing ovulation. By drinking colon cleanse juice, your body is getting rid of the chemicals and toxins that directly or indirectly affect the egg and sperm. You know the drill. Make sure you and your partner undergo colon cleansing before attempting to conceive a child. After all, the health of your future baby is influenced by your own health and lifestyle. So why not thoroughly cleanse your body first? Benefit number 5. Improved energy. After releasing toxins from your body, you will definitely feel rejuvenated. That's because the energy once used for forcing waste through your intestines to other parts of your body is refocused. The difference is made evident just after the first day. You will feel much more energy and clarity by consuming the colon cleanse juice than you ever did before with your morning coffee. Some people consume inadequate fluids and they think it's not a big deal, or they overlook it's because they are busy. Either way, it's terrible for your health. Colon cleanse juice can up to the sufficient fluids in your body and help it function more efficiently, thereby increasing your energy. Just 1 drink a day and you'll have a happy colon every day. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Digested that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Digested. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I no longer need coffee to get going in the morning, and I have lost the desire for the most unhealthy foods that I was consuming.
So as you can see, Digested works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Digested in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/digest. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comments below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.